Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off sensitive content control on Instagram. So for you to be able to turn off sensitive content control on Instagram, you have to open your Instagram app on your iPhone. Then once you open it, then you click on this profile icon. You click on the profile icon, then you click on this 3-line icon on your iPhone. Then you scroll down and click on search suggested content. Okay, go. Then you click on sensitive content. So from here you have to configure this from less to standard to more. So if you want to see less sensitive content, which is the half part of it, then you click on it, then it should be confirmed. And if you want just the normal default settings for the level of sensitive content shared to you on Instagram, you can just simply go for standard, which is default by settings. Okay, I'm just gonna click again. I'm gonna hit continue, and that's it. If I find the video helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.